Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a slightly different video. Normally my videos are about PCs or Fortnite or something, but I'm going to share something slightly different. So basically, for the last few months or whatever, me and my parents have been like sorting out their outdoor garden. As you can see, that's what it looks like now. It looks quite good, apart from there's no like light, so anything that makes it stand out. And that's where a company called Kohree comes in. They asked me if I wanted to review some lights of theirs, and of course I said yes. Just to confirm, they have sent these out, although I've not been told to say anything. So anyway, I've got them here, as you can see, and I'm really excited to review them and unbox them. I also want to say thanks for sending them out, I appreciate that. But anyway, let's go. Alright, so I'm going to go over the specs of the boxes. So first of all, in the box you've got 3 extra light bulbs as the strip. It does come with 30, but you get 3 extra just in case a few break or whatever. In case you're wondering, they aren't massive bulbs, but they're just like these tiny squirrel ones, as you can see over here. These bulbs can last for over like 30,000 hours, which is really good. Now we're moving on to the cable. Just a normal UK plug. It's got extra 2 meters, so you'll be able to plug it in nice and easily without an extension cable. One thing I want to mention is you can see to put them on like a fence or something, they've got these tiny clips. These lights can be used like indoor, outdoor, wherever you want. And they are also IP45 water resistant. This means like it isn't like waterproof to the point where you can submerge it, but it's fine in rain and like light storms basically. But if you submerge it, they are going to break. One thing I want to mention is you can daisy chain these, so you can have 2 sets of lights off of 1 plug socket, which is really cool. So anyway, as you can see, it's all over here. By the way, these light bulbs are 7 watts, and they are like quite warm lights, like a yellowy type colour. Anyway, I'm really excited to see what these look like, and I'll show you shots of them at night and in daytime. And at the moment, I'm just going to show you a time lapse of me setting them up. So I definitely recommend them, whether you want them inside or outside. As you can see, they look lovely. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See ya. Peace.